Now it's time for the magic! Delicious seasonings are added to create the amazing flavors everyone loves. The freshly harvested potatoes are transported to the factory, where each one is carefully inspected and selected for quality. First, the potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt. Then, powerful machines peel off the skins within seconds. Next, the potatoes are sliced into perfectly thin pieces. This ensures every chip cooks evenly. After removing excess starch, the slices are fried in hot oil until they become golden, crispy, and delicious. Now it's time for the magic! Delicious seasonings are added to create the amazing flavors everyone loves. Finally, the chips are packed, sealed, and shipped to stores around the world. And that's how your potato chips are made.